Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Thanksgiving cake. So let's get started.
This is my homemade funfetti cake and chocolate buttercream. I filled and frosted the cake with the buttercream. The cake was a bit crumbly this time because I had allowed it to thaw completely and the crystals had caused the cake to be a little too moist. It was quite difficult to frost. If this happens to you, you can cool the cake for a few minutes and try again. It will be much easier to frost if you do. I cleaned up the cake board with a damp rag and chilled the cake while I prepared my piping bags. I'm using a basket weave tip on the bottom right, a small round tip bottom middle, and several sizes of open star tips. I put chocolate buttercream in the piping bag with a basket weave tip, yellow with a small round tip, and the rest with combinations of red, yellow, and brown buttercream. I piped a basket weave on the side of the cake. I start with a vertical line, then cover it with short horizontal lines. Then I pipe another vertical line over the ends of the horizontal lines. Then fill in more horizontal lines between the first horizontal lines. And I continue this pattern all the way around the cake. This took easily 90% of the time it took to pipe this cake. Once the basket weave was finally finished, I piped a series of C shapes along at the edge. At one point, I had to refill the piping bag. Usually when I pipe words, I trace them first, but this time I just spontaneously piped the words, "Give thanks." Then I used the rest of the piping bags with various autumn colors and piped rosettes and drop flowers in a kind of a crescent shape. This cake is just so very perfect for Thanksgiving or just autumn. I love the colors and the basket or flowers feeling. Happy Thanksgiving! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos.